Katy Perry freaked out by Orlando Bloom's dramatic transformation for *The Cut. Orlando Bloom shared how his fiancée, Katy Perry, reacted to his intense transformation for his latest film, The Cut. During an interview on Friday, September 6th, the 47-year-old actor revealed that Perry was both moved and shocked by his performance. "She watched it and was like, 'I need a stiff drink,'" Bloom recalled, just a day after the film's premiere at the Toronto International Film Festival. The Pirates of the Caribbean star said that Perry, 39, was deeply affected, even tearing up after watching the emotionally charged drama. "She was really moved. She knew what it took," Bloom said, referring to the sacrifices he made for the role. He also admitted that his preparation for the part was physically grueling, so much so that at one point, after returning home from filming, he thought, "I literally thought I was gonna die." In The Cut, Bloom plays a boxer who must undergo extreme weight loss to compete. Reflecting on the difficult journey, he joked about being hangry due to the strict diet he had to follow. "The last 3 weeks in London before we started filming were just tuna and cucumber," he explained, describing how the movie's nutritionist put him on a rigorous plan to shed the pounds before shooting began. As filming progressed, he slowly regained the weight to match the character's transformation.